import or insert images or pictures in my Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. So there are two ways to actually do that. So one of the most straightforward way is to go to menu bar and go to insert and then click on photo, and then you have to select picture from file. So as soon as you will do it, you will be shown a window in which there will be many files and folders, and you can locate the image which you want to import in your presentation. So it is taking a while to actually show that window. Yeah, so there we have. So let's say we want this particular picture. So select it and then click on insert, and that particular photograph will appear in this slide. So this is first way of doing it, which is very straightforward way, which is to go to menu bar and go to insert and then click on photo, and then from picture, from file, and let's create a new slide. And now let's follow the second step, which is our second way to do that. So in this case, we will be importing an image or inserting an image within this box. So click on insert, which is under the format tab or home tab. So it is format, so go to home and then click on picture and then picture from file, and then select the image which you want to import and click on insert. So that particular image has been imported to this particular box. Suppose you want to insert that image not inside this box but in the entire slide. So how will you do that? First of all, you have to delete the elements which are there in this presentation. So select and delete it, and delete this box as well, and then go to picture and then picture from file, and then select the image which you want to import and then click on insert. So that particular image will be imported in the entire slide. So essentially there are two ways of importing, in the sense that we have this presentation or this slide, and we have got a theme or sort of layout of the presentation. So by default, if you will try to import an image, it will go to the box which is meant for these graphics. But if you don't want to limit that image within that box, you have to delete those boxes, and then by selecting these layout items and then click on delete, so that they will be deleted. And now if you will import any image, that particular image will be fit within this slide. So that's how we import the image, and we choose where that image would be. Also, if you will import any image and if you want to modify the image, then there are ways to that. So first of all, you have to import the image, and when you are selecting, so when you have selected that particular image, you will be shown different options of modifications. So let's try with changing the picture style. So it's like a frame of the picture. You can choose different styles which you think it will be appropriate for your project or your presentation. So you can choose any of these which you think is good match for you. So when you have decided okay, this is good for you, there is option of transparency as well. So suppose you want a particular image which will be there in the background while you will be having text over it. So you have to increase or decrease the transparency depending on how you want to actually use that particular image. So let's say this is how I want that image to be, so that I can insert some text over it. So all you have to do is just click on text and then text box, and you can insert some text over it. So let's say we are saying Red Fort in India, and we can increase the size of it, and yeah, so this is how it looks like. So, or you can write something over here, some points, by just having the text box over here and then typing the details which you want to enter. So this is how we actually use or modify the image. So now if you want to modify it further, so suppose you want it to have again the normal opacity and zero transparency. You want to crop the image, so how do we really crop it? So as soon as you will click on crop, you will be shown these markers. So just resize them. So I'm bringing it down, and from the right side I am bringing it towards left side, and from left side I'm bringing it towards right side, and from bottom to towards top. And so let's say I want this particular section only, and then click anywhere you want. So yeah, so we have successfully cropped the image, and there is some shadow, that is because of the picture style. And if you want to apply some filters, you can do that. The kind of filters which you see in Instagram, like apps. So you can also rotate the image if you want. You rotate left, right, or flip it if you want. So this is how we play with the images in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is how we add photographs in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope this will be very useful for you when you will be creating some presentations. Thank you for watching the tutorial.